Welcome! In front of me I have Cubot W03 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to open the GloryFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and this should bring you to the device page of your W03. Now tap on the watch faces option, and this will open the dial center. Basically, here you have the list of watch faces you can download and install on your watch. So scroll through the list, find the watch face you like to use. I don't know, for example, maybe this one. Tap on it to select it, and then tap on this green button, synchronous dial, to sync the watch face to your watch. And it's gonna start downloading and syncing to your watch. So let's wait. And after it's done synchronizing, you will see that it's gonna be applied on your watch. You can install other watch faces, and once you have multiple of them, you will see that if you tap on My Dial right here, you will have the list of watch faces already or previously installed on your watch, and you don't need to scroll through this whole page right here. You can just simply tap on My Dial to switch between them quickly. So you can tap on one and tap on synchronous dial, and it's gonna start syncing, and once it's done, the watch face will be applied on your watch. Like this. You can also remove the watch faces from this list by tapping on Edit button, selecting the ones you want to remove, and then tapping Done to confirm. Like this. Okay. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.